us a little wrap around what we're gonna do today.
We go to the beach, and then we go to a boat party. We're gonna turn up. We're gonna get drunk, and we're about to go to Sky Bar. We're about to get drunk again. Then we're about to eat. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hi.
What are you gonna be doing today?
Oh, a lot of Hawaii stuff out here. Let's see. Go to the beach. Go to the pool. Have some Mai Tais. So many possibilities.
Okay. We're getting ready.
Ready.
Aloha! Aloha! We're about to go eat some breakfast at the Hideout, and then we're gonna have a good time at the beach. We're gonna go on a cruise. We're gonna go eat at the Sky Rooftop, and we're just gonna drink. Got breakfast sandwich, got some potatoes, we got some ketchup, sunny side up egg, just the way I like it. And then, bam, right here, we got 2 scrambled eggs, got protein gains. Aloha. That's right. We at Lanikai Beach in Hawaii. It's a beautiful day on a Monday. It's about 80-degree weather. Let's look at a beautiful beach. Check it out. Uh-oh, look at this guy. Excuse me, sir. Slow down before you get a ticket. So check out this beautiful view. Look at the water. The water's looking really nice. It's not even cold. It's nice and warm. If it was cold, I'd be going, ah!
Go, Byron. Hurry up.
Oh, I can't. I can't just pick it up.
The next day.
Right now we at Manoa Falls. We're about to do this quick hike. Go check out our nice waterfall. And this is what it looks like.
Here we go. We're in the jungle, guys. So cool. We are in the jungle. We're a little bit lost, but we will find our way. I think they said once you find the waterfall, you made it.
I don't know why I wore these fucking bands going on a fucking hike. God damn it.
We're talking.
To Manoa Falls. Here we are, because people have to be up there to take pictures, but you know, against all odds, we're risk takers. Check out the fall.
We made it. Yes, it was really risky. It was really rocky. It was really muddy. So, unless you want to get here, that's what you got to do.
That's right, y'all. We at the infamous Giovanni's right here in Hawaii. Look at that shrimp truck. It's really packed today. A lot of people, a lot of tourists like me. We're gonna dip into the lemon butter shrimp. We got my boys, he got the scampi. Look at all that garlic. She got the same. So I'm gonna get one of these shrimp right here. With a little drizzle, a little lemon. Give it some moisture. And there's some butter sauce right here. We're gonna peel the shrimp one time, take it by the tail. Here we go. Wow. That juicy shrimp, fresh.
They just started the drink.
Definitely a place to go to if you go to Hawaii. Drive out to Halawaii and pronounce it right, and hit this truck. Oh.
The next day.
This out right here. Check this out right here. We are in Hawaii. We're at Waikiki, Honolulu. I just went over to that place. It's called Wicked Maine Lobster. And they kind of influenced me and said, hey, check out our pineapple rice bowls. You can add shrimp or lobster. I pick lobster. But check this out right here. Check it out. Check it out. I'm about to dig into it right now. Look at the lobster looking juicy. Let's try the rice. Ooh, hot. Ooh, perfect. I already taste the butter melting down your mouth. Another bite. Oh. You got the pineapple in there. You can taste the carrots, the green onion. Your piece of this lobster. Yeah. Buttery. Man, this right here, 10 out of 10. Straight up. That's a lot of wings. Got so many wings I can fly.
Who would have thought it would have come with this many wings? Oh wow.
The next day.